anal glands. They're like
what if
the bane of our existence.
Yeah, what if people have the dog in this video? Super sweet dog. We really like him a lot. He was struggling with an anal gland infection. Really didn't have any before. Just kind of a first time issue for him. And so part of the treatment, we were expressing his anal glands routinely. We also had him on some antibiotics and a topical essential oil based spray to further try to reduce the amount of bacteria in the perianal region. The paired anal sac is spherical and averages about 1 centimeter in diameter. One lies on each side of the anal canal between and just a heads up, you're going to see some anal gland secretion, so if you're a bit squeamish, you may not want to watch this next part. Let's see what I got going on here. Good. Good boy. Sorry about that. Okay, you can go on up in there in a second. Foods, that is usually what we'll go to try to prevent this. On a wellness standpoint, there are things we can do for dogs that have routine anal gland problems, and that's something that you'd want to talk to your veterinarian about. Lots can be done, including routine anal gland expressions, adding fiber, addressing food allergies, that sort of stuff.